Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how we can add Grok AI Chrome Extension to generate videos like this as you see, simply and in a very easy way with highest quality and for free. Also, all these videos is generated by Grok AI Chrome Extension, which is free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, leave a comment and subscribe as respect to our effort. Let us open Google Chrome. Search for Grok AI automation. Here, just click it. Grok automation, this one, click it. Add to Chrome. Add extension. Yes, extension is added. To find extension, close this one. To find extension, just click here. Here you have Grok automation. Maybe in some country doesn't work, so you have to use VPN. Just click this one, open it. Navigate to Grok. Yes. Here we have text to video. Click it. Text to video, this one. Prompt, select one prompt. Add prompt here. To generate a prompt, for example, I ask ChatGPT. It's also free. Ask ChatGPT, for example, write a prompt for rabbit play with a focus in a garden. Only text. You can directly write it by yourself, but I ask ChatGPT, it is more powerful. Yes, that is the prompt. Just click here, Control C. Come to Grok here. Add the prompt. Select it 6 seconds. From settings, select text to video. Here, which one you want? I select 16 to 19. This one. 6 seconds, you can select 10 seconds. But 6 seconds is best. Quality. Automate download. 1K. Language, English. Save settings. Okay. Come back to here. Then just run. Yes. You see? It generates the video for us. Highest quality. Just right click. Save video. Also here we have download option. You can click it. Yes. Select the location. For example, desktop. Rabbit 2. Save. That is the way to generate customized video in a very easy way. Don't forget to like. Have a nice time.